Welcome to the Resogra Vendor Academy. In this video, I'll show you how to sell a made-to-measure product, where your customer types in their own body measurements when they order, so you make it to fit them perfectly. Ideal for tailors, custom fashion, and anything bespoke. Let's set it up. Start by signing in to your Resogra vendor account. You'll land on your vendor dashboard. In the left menu, click Products to see everything you sell. Open the product you want to make to measure, for example, a piece of custom clothing. At the top of the product, click the Made to Measure tab. This is where you turn on custom sizing. Tick Enable Made to Measure for this product. This adds a measurement wizard to your product page that the customer fills in before they buy. Choose the units, centimeters, inches, or let the customer pick whichever they're comfortable with. Now tick exactly which measurements you need: chest, neck, shoulder, waist, length, and more. Each one comes with a clear instruction for the customer, and you can mark some as optional or reorder them. Finally, click Save. Your product is now made to measure, and every buyer will send you their exact measurements automatically. And that's it. Now, when a customer buys this product, Resogra walks them through a measurement wizard and saves their exact sizes onto the order, so you make it to fit every time. No more back and forth in the messages. Thanks for watching, and welcome to the Resogra family.